Hello. Hi kids. Welcome to Phonic Concert. My name is Hikma and I am your phonic doctor. Today we're going to talk about letter sounds and names. Do you know we have a sound that is sick? Let us take our sounds to see the doctor. See the doctor. And letter A, B, C. They are together with the doctor. Wow! What is this? Letter A. The name of the letter is letter A. While the sound is R. The name is A. The sound is R. This is our letter on the hospital bed. Let us tell the doctor the name of our letter. The name of our letter is letter A and it sounds R. R as in ant, as in arrow, as in axe, as in apple. We can have our letter in the middle of the word. If we have our letter in the middle of word, it will still sound R. Then we have words like bag, can, hat. Kids, I hope you've learned something today. Don't forget to tell mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel so you can learn the name of other letters. Thank you. Bye.